In this lesson, we're going to create a face fillet. Select the fillet command and choose Face Fillet. I have two faces here that don't intersect. So let's create a fillet between them. Select the first face, and then the second face. Activate your preview. We can insert a radius right here. I'll enter a value of 15. All right, let's accept these changes. Let's create another fillet. Press the fillet command. Face fillet again. I'm going to zoom in right here. I'm adjusting the view with a pen, and then I hit the escape button to get my pointer back. See here, this cylinder and its base, they don't touch. So we're going to create a fillet between the two solids. First, we select both surfaces. Face 1, Face 2. Scroll down in your Property Manager. Select a hold line. There's the preview of our fillet. Press Accept. Let's take a look at that fillet. Looks pretty good. This concludes our review of the face fillet.